Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we're going to delve into a fundamental aspect of PostgreSQL database maintenance, performing a full vacuum using the PSQL command line tool. We'll explore how this process contributes to maintaining a healthy and efficient database environment. Understanding the vacuum operation. Vacuum is like a housekeeping tool for your database. It ensures that your database remains tidy by eliminating unnecessary data clutter. This process not only frees up space but also optimizes query performance. Full vacuum process overview. Detailed breakdown of the steps involved in initiating a full vacuum operation. Connect to the PostgreSQL database using a client tool. Execute the SQL command, vacuum full. If you prefer to perform a full vacuum on a specific table, you can use the command, vacuum full table name. Replace table name with the name of the table you want to vacuum. Considerations before running full vacuum. Before diving into full vacuum, exercise caution, especially on live databases. It can lead to table locks, affecting your database's availability. The process can be resource intensive, potentially causing high disk I/O and CPU usage. It's always a good practice to create a backup before performing such operations. Conclusion: balancing maintenance and performance. In closing, remember that database maintenance is a delicate dance. Striking the right balance between keeping your database tidy and ensuring performance is essential. Full vacuum can be a powerful tool, but it's not always the answer. Proceed thoughtfully, and your database will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.